back to the channel. This video is a little bit of an introduction to the next series of videos that I'm going to be posting on this channel. Going back to the original purpose of these videos, and that was to sort of share my knowledge and experience about advanced driving, break it down into the different elements, simplify it a little bit, show you that actually it's not complicated, it's fairly straightforward. Anybody can do this stuff, anybody can be a better, safer driver, and also that it will help you enjoy your driving and enjoy it more and get more out of it and actually make the effort to get out and do a bit more driving. So this series of videos is going to be essentially how to pass your advanced driving test. Now, you might not have any intention of doing your advanced driving test, and that's fine. But I know there's a lot of people who watch this channel who are training for their IAM or the RoSPA civilian advanced driving test. I know that emergency services drivers watch the channel as well to help them prepare for their driving courses. You might be doing your masters with the IAM or looking to improve to a gold with RoSPA. You might be preparing for a standard car course in the police or a blue light response course, or even getting yourself ready for an advanced car course within the police. So what I'm going to try and do is I'm going to do a series of videos that breaks down all the different elements that you need to be able to do when it comes to your test at the end. The sort of things that the examiner are looking for. Now, I'm an examiner for the IAM. I used to be an instructor for the police. So I'm going to try and share my knowledge and experience with you, make it detailed and reasonably concise. I don't want to make videos that are too long. I want them to be to the point. And if you are taking part in an advanced driving course of any description with any of the road safety organisations or with any of the emergency services, this stuff will help you. I'm not trying to take over from your instructor, but this might help put a little bit of context, or it might help by, you know, just putting, it's like wording it slightly differently or explaining it slightly differently. It's a little element that you've been struggling with. Hopefully you can dip into these videos. If you're an observer for one of the advanced driving organisations or an instructor, maybe you're a police instructor, I'm hoping that you'll be able to direct your students towards the videos as well, just so that they can supplement the instruction that you're giving them and the different elements of the course that they're taking part in. And of course, if you're not interested in doing your advanced driving test, that's absolutely fine. It's not for everybody. But you might want to improve your own driving. You might want to pick up a few extra skills along the way, and hopefully these videos can help you. So I'm going to be looking at, you know, all the fundamental stuff that you need. How to apply the system of car control, that's going to be a starting point for us. How to use the car's controls, the steering, the brakes, the gearbox. Not just how to use it, but how to choose the right gear for the right time and the right speed on the road. How to improve your observations and your planning skills and tie that into those physical car control skills that you would learn on a course. But I'm going to give you an insight as well as to what the examiner is looking for at those different levels. So each video, I'll show you the basics of what's required, and then for each of those different courses that I've mentioned, I'll tell you what the examiners are looking for. Bronze, silver, gold at RoSPA, pass or first at IAM, masters, and masters with distinction with the IAM as well. And I'll look at police standard or police blue light, whatever you want to call it, and police advanced as well, and I'll look at what those examiners are looking for on those courses. I'll also show you, what's required in a manual car and what's required in an automatic car, the differences between the two and how you apply the system of car control in those different vehicles. And I'll link back to other videos that I've made previously. I accept that I have made some videos that cover these points previously, if you look back through my sort of back catalogue, if you like. and that'll allow you to look at things in a bit more detail and look at some of the previous videos that I've done. But I've had a bit more practice making these videos and editing them, and I've got some better equipment now, so hopefully the newer videos where I cover, say, steering or braking and things like that, hopefully they'll be a better quality, and that will help you with your learning. So if you're interested in any way in advanced driving, whether for yourself or professionally, and honestly, whether you want to pass an advanced driving test or whether you're just interested and you're looking at improving your skills, come back and have a look at these videos. To make it easier for you to pick this series of videos out from my other videos, I'll make the thumbnails a little bit different. So the title in the thumbnails I'll do in a different colour, let's say blue. So I'll do the titles for these videos in blue on the thumbnail. You see that one of those videos come up, you know that it is one of my how to pass your advanced driving test videos. I will carry on doing other videos, you know, cars and bikes and things like that. Keep uploading those, but throughout, you know, over the next maybe 6 months or so, I will continue to upload as regularly as I possibly can this series of videos on how to pass your advanced driving test. So I look forward to seeing you in the next video, and I'm going to start with the system of car control. So in the next video I'm going to go out with a friend, we'll use the drone a little bit as well, and I will give you a basic introduction to the system of car control and how to apply it to left and right turns and roundabouts. If that sounds really basic, don't worry about it. It is the fundamental building block around which everything else sort of grows out from in advanced driving. Got to get your system right first before you move on to all the other things. So if you want to drive through a series of corners at high speed, if you want to look how to overtake slow moving vehicles, if you want to look at all that stuff, making good progress, the first thing you've got to get right is the system, your application of the system of car control. So we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching this one. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, so every time I upload one of these videos, then you will get a notification, an email. If you press the notifications button, you'll get a little email through saying Reg has uploaded a new video. I will also put them in a specific playlist as well. So you can go to my channel and you can click on the playlist. In there will be the playlist for how to pass your advanced driving test. Don't forget to have a look at the website as well, reglocal.com. Loads more information there about advanced and performance driving, about the books I've written, you know, how to get a day's driver coaching with me if you want to. But for now, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video, application of the system of car control.